How to fix Newsmax app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Newsmax TV app not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First things first, you might have to check what the issue is. So check if there is a specific issue given by the app, such as if it's not working due to, a problem with the internet. So check that. And if that's not the issue, what you can do is you can always head over to your app store. On your app store, you can simply search for your, app that is Newsmax. After you search for Newsmax app, check if there's an update available. If there is, tap on update and update the app. Updating the app sometimes fixes the issue with the new bugs and new fixes from the app itself. So if that does not work, you can always head over to settings. On your settings, go to general, locate iPhone storage. Then simply find the app that you're looking for, that is Newsmax. There we go. Open it up and then tap on offload app and then tap on offload app again. That will offload the app, and now all you have to do is tap on reinstall app. Doing this will clear out the cache from the app itself, so that should fix your issue as well. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.